Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another origami demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami flapping fly designed by Jeremy Shafer. And there's his tutorial right here if you want to learn how to fold it. So here's what it looks like. So this is an origami fly, and it's got nice wings here. And we need to hold here and pull this part. It flaps. How cool is that? So yeah, I think it's really cool looking. And it flaps, just like what flies do when they fly. And this is a pretty complex model, but I managed to fold it successfully. And yeah, and it can also be a bee too. It's got a stinger here. Ow! Yes, I got stung by wasps and stuff before. Many times. And it hurts. But yeah, it can also be a bee too. But it's called a flapping fly. So yeah, this is a really cool model. And yeah. And I folded this model from a 6-inch square of kami from the brand Daiso. And this is the result. And that's pretty much it for this demo. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys with another tutorial soon. Alright, bye bye.